Exploration is humanity's enduring pursuit. We hope to see farther, smaller, and clearer. Exceptional optical components, fit for every confocal sample. High SNR image quality, reveals the tiniest details. Versatile expansion, applies for more experiments. This is a true China-designed high-tech for research. Are you ready? Fidelity the real image, co-focus the highlights. CLSM600 Confocal laser scanning microscope. Premium optics create high-efficient confocal imaging. Based on the reversibility of light, the CLSM600 combines the excitation pinhole and imaging pinhole into one, with detection units consisting of multiple high-sensitivity multi-alkali photomultiplier tubes or CLSM, minimizing interference caused by component displacement. It rapidly and automatically performs multicolor fluorescence confocal imaging, ensuring high-definition observation. Optimized human-machine interaction design ensures your ease during sample capture. The front LCD panel provides real-time display of the status of the motorized components and allows for observation mode settings, aperture switching, and more. The all-electric control system enhances operational convenience, significantly improving the user experience and work efficiency. SOPTOP series super apochromatic objectives provide more uniform, brighter, and higher resolution fluorescence images. Dedicated confocal software helps researchers to get multiple functions, such as multi-channel imaging, Z-stack imaging, large image stitching, 3D reconstruction, and more. Whether in cell imaging, observation of animal, plant tissue sections, live observations of model organisms, or the field of biomaterials, the CLSM600 can assist you in obtaining fine structural images of your samples, revealing details in different depths. Discover more of the world. If you are interested in trying it out, please scan the QR code on the right to schedule an appointment. We look forward to hearing from you.